Enyanja ya Bunyampaka neshanga mu kyaro kya Kigoba umugombora ya Katwe mu district ya Kasese kandi nayo nerga mu mwonyo nkuguru kurugomoreka Katwe. Enyanja igeruma amaziba garukurenga umuriro 15 kandi ubwanyuma y'abatimbe bo mwonyo kuba bingi kirugirireho kwoma ekiretira bebembezo bakinga amaziba garukwinganigana 36
abantu bagira umururu mungi yamara otuzi natubuka no kunsoro zino springs zereta amazi ne bazigara n'amaziba edolo amazi we gateka agayingira mu nankanyi yona ne bagirumba wo mururu mungi.
Bamwe mu batimbe bo mwonyo no bagirangwa bebembezo bine kora namani okureba ngo amaziba hagati gashishwa
obuzibwe torokedde ekijjo kijja kufa katebwa kifa fenna tuliyewe twanga tetuli mu kijjo tuberi ku nyanja ate nyanja kati sawa zino tekwa anyway wakola
ecyandukolibwe protectinga our resource no reducinga hanamba ya maziba gatina gatukutanga mu
tinga nti kiberawo nyanja eno nekala amazi ne gaggwamu goge mazima embeere ejja kuba mbi nnyo ku muntu wa bulijjo anoonye ekyokulya.
Erifazu Muhindi ori mukuru w'entebe ya Katana wa district ya Kasese nagira ngo tubarukwija kwikiriza abatimbe bo mwonyo kushisha enyanja egi.
The number of salt pans must be reduced to minimum in order not to destroy the salt lake, because the more salt pans they create and ending up to blocking the springs, the water spring that would bring in fresh water would mean the salt lake drying up, and this would mean they would be having no business.
Sub-county chief w'egombora ya Katwe nagira ngo bategerize bakugokuyija bakabahereza umuhendo gw'amazuba hagine kubagari yo mu nyanja egi.
Over 300, I'm not certain of the exact number, but there are over 300 salt pans, and since then the production of the salt has since increased. So we hope that after recounting the real salt pans here, which are on this lake,
The population increase and the pressure from the salt winners as a result of people wanting to have more salt pans, we have advised them that this should not really tamper with the sources of the fresh water of the springs.
Abebembezi hona nibagira ngo tubarukwija kwikiriza aba barukwija aho kubazibira kureta henta Asia gasha kwa Gilbert Muhanguzi.